Hey, this is the short preview of silicone case that comes in the box on the Redmi 15. So first of all, it's actually well made. It's flexible, so we can easily put it on your phone and easily take it off. On the back, we can find a Redmi logo. And now I'm gonna put it on the phone just to show you something that it's really useful in this phone. There we go. And now take a look. At the top we can find good cutout for IR blaster. There's also cutout for the sensor, the fingerprint sensor, but the volume buttons are actually covered. Good cutouts for speaker, microphone, USB-C port, and also the screen is protected of that bumper that comes above the screen. As you can see over here, all around. And the same for the camera. There's also nice feeling when you touch it, and there's no fingerprint sensors, fingerprints marks when you touch it. So that's a really nice case. It comes in the box, which is pretty great deal.